And there's a dog in the way.
Oh yeah. Find the crowbar and the sledgehammer. We got this. We got this to pull.
It's a mini crowbar, pretty much.
Yeah.
That's what we're using it as.
Yeah, these pliers are really useful.
I'm a very bad cameraman, by the way, everyone. Squeeze! Squeeze!
Ouch.
No! Just make it work!
That worked. No way.
Wait. Cluster bomb! Doesn't work. Wait a moment. Dog. Ball. Ball has been kicked. Bye, dog. Bad dog. Don't go for that bit. Go for the end bit. If you can wedge that bit out, then you should be fine.
Oh, that bit.
Yeah. What is he doing? Oh, my knee. Oh, my neck.
Oh yeah, by the way, there was a giant spider
In the engine.
on the engine.
Quick update on the engine. It's going well.
What?
Going well. Quick update. Right. Can we see the spider?
Oh yeah. He's a windy spider.
What? I have arachnophobia.
Oh yeah. I always forget that because I don't know the name.
Yeah, it's definitely a wolf spider. Right. I think he's run away, thankfully.
Yeah.
Not from his go-kart.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Peg away.
Peg. Okay. That's not going to destroy it, you know. Dog. Dog. The dog is ruining the video. Keeps getting in the way.
Just if the camera's bad,
Yes.
it's because there's a dog. It's being annoying.
Oh my god, you're going full road.
Oh, they are a bit dirty. These just don't fit very well.
Who wants to go see the dog? Me, yeah. Dog cam. Right. Now we're off dog cam. Dog cam. There. Alright. Right.
Bye! We're going to be doing episode 4 about
3. 3. This is episode 2.
Oh yeah, we're going to be doing episode 3.
Yeah.
No, not 4, we're bummed.
And for your outro, Oscar, sunset. Not that you can see anything. Sunset. Right. Say bye.